Is it true that Writesonic is better than ChatGPT? Many people say so, but let's prove it. Have you ever used this website before? You can access the Writesonic website using a Google or Apple account. As soon as we enter the website, we are immediately presented with various kinds of tools that can help us. Let's see the Writesonic tools. It is similar with ChatGPT, but we can do 4 things here, such as ask complex questions, create digital artwork, give voice command, or generate professional content. You can also ask for something to be made, for example like a study schedule or whatever. Writesonic will include a reference link at the end. Let's take a look at other tools. There are so many tools that I'm confused about which one to try first, but then I found an interesting Instagram caption tool here. To make it, you need to fill in a photo description for the caption. You can also choose the brand voice, the length of the word you want, the language, and the quality of the caption to be made. After everything is done, just click Generate. Writesonic will generate 3 caption choices for you, but if you need more choices, click Regenerate and you will get 3 additional captions. Want to see more tools? Let's return to the first page. Right now, I want to try Writesonic Image Generator because I want to compare. Is this tool better than other website image generator too? Let's see. Well, the appearance is quite interesting. Here you can make your own prompt or use an example. It turns out that there are 2 photos that are produced with quite unique and colorful image. Well, for me, Writesonic is indeed superior to ChatGPT because of the large selection of tools. But what do you think? Do you agree?